Mira Astuti from Class 2B English Language Education, and my NPM is A1B025048. In this video, I will explain to you about the material on skin tone stereotypes from a journal entitled Skin Tone Effects on Others' Pain Estimations, Moderations by a Color Stereotypes. Before we begin, I would like to ask you a question. Do you already know what stereotypes are? Alright, now I will explain first what stereotypes actually are. A stereotype is a general belief or assumptions about a group of people. It is often based on limited information and can be inaccurate or unfair. Stereotypes can influence how we think, feel, and behave toward others, even without us realizing it. This study is based on the following background. People sometimes think that others feel pain differently based on their appearance. For example, those with darker skin are often seen as stronger and less sensitive to pain. This study looks at whether skin tone affects how we judge other people's pain and whether this is influenced by common belief like darker means stronger. Next, I will explain the method used in this study. This study used an experiment with 2,099 participants. They were shown pictures of people with different skin tone, dark, medium, light, and asked to rate how much pain those people might feel in certain situations. The research also checked whether participants believe that darker things are stronger than lighter ones. After explaining the background methods, I will now explain the research objective. The purpose of this study to find out whether skin tone influences how people judge others' pain, and to examine whether this is affected by the belief the darker color represents strength, based on the sentence darker is stronger. And also, in daily life, people often judge others unconsciously based on appearance, including skin tone. This can affect how we understand their feeling, especially when they are in pain. This can happen because human perception is not always objective, and judgment are influenced by experience and belief. From the journal, it can be seen that many people associate certain meaning with colors. For example, dark colors are often seen as stronger or tougher, and light colors are often seen as softer or weaker. These assumptions are not only applied to objects, but can also influence how we see people, especially in terms of strength and endurance. Now, let's move to how this concept is connected to real life. The way we perceive others can have real-life impact, such as in social interaction. For example, people might assume darker-skinned individuals are stronger and feel less pain. In education environments, for example, students might receive less attention or support because they are seen as more resilient. And then, in healthcare situation, for example, patients might receive less pain treatment because their pain is underestimated. If someone is seen as stronger, people might assume they need less help or support. Now, let's understand the effect of stereotypes. Stereotypes can lead to several negative outcomes, such as misunderstanding other conditions, lack of empathy, and unfair treatment. In serious contexts like healthcare, this can affect important decisions and lead to inequality for everyone. After explaining the material, we can conclude that stereotypes can lead to negative outcomes such as misunderstanding others, lack of empathy, and unfair treatment. They often make people rely on assumptions instead of understanding individual situations. In healthcare, as in previous material, this can affect decision and create inequality, leading to difference in treatment quality and reduced trust in the system. And also, we should not judge someone by appearance and limited information. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for attention, and I hope this presentation is useful for everyone.